From that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. Yeah.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Kyla and I'm back again with another wig video. Today I'm here with a glueless wig from West Kiss Hair and I'm just showing you guys all the goodies that they sent me. And y'all, for some reason they sent me a tiara with West Kiss on it, so I don't know why, but okay, y'all, I see the promo. But here is the wig, y'all. I got the glueless ready to go 14-inch West Kiss curly wig. And y'all, let me tell y'all something about this hair. It is so nice. It looks so natural. Take a moment to just look at this lace. It is so amazing. Like, it literally melts right into my skin initially, just straight out the pack. Like, seriously, look at that hair. Look at that bounce. Of course, it came with a band for security in the back. Even look at it on my mannequin head. Like, it's blending in so well, so I just can't wait to try it on. So before I go in and I install this wig, I am going to color it because for some reason, whenever I get a wig, I have to color it because the natural color black just does not look good on me. So right now I'm just combing out the hair in its entirety and I'm seeing that it is very dense and I love that, and I barely got any shedding. Like, look at it, it's so nice. I'm so excited. So we're gonna go into step one, which is prepping and coloring the hair. To protect the lace, since it is pre-customized, pre-plucked, all that good stuff, I do want to go in and spray some Got2b spray on the lace to make sure that it does not get any color on it. And I'm gonna go in with my BW2 bleaching powder in my color. And y'all, this is a new technique that I'm using. I saw it on TikTok a lot. You're basically going to watercolor the hair. You're gonna add the color, the bleaching powder, and you're just gonna add some water and you're gonna stick the entire wig inside the water, y'all. You're more than welcome to just use a container if you have one. I didn't, so I just used my sink and I added a bag in it, and I feel like it did just as well. So what I did was I dipped the hair in a few times, I submerged the entire wig in, and I let it sit for about 45 minutes. So now we're gonna move into step two, which is the install process. I did go ahead and put on a wig cap off camera. And this is the hair. You can obviously see it is brought up to a lighter brown shade, which is what I wanted. So let's get into styling this hair. So I wanted to add some glue to the lace just to make sure that it did stay down nice and flat. And I'm gonna go in and lay everything down and then add my West Kiss elastic band. Y'all, I can already tell that the curls are already giving. Like, they just look so good already, and I just can't wait to install this hair. So to begin styling this hair, I'm going to use some leave-in conditioning cream that I use on my natural hair, and I'm just going to brush the curls out. I'm not sure what type of brush this is. It might be a Denman brush, but I don't want to tell you guys wrong. I'm going to go in, spray it with a little bit of water, and then I'm going to go in step three, which is finger coiling the hair. You want to make sure that you're doing this in sections because it's going to be pretty tricky to do it with all of your hair out. And this finger coiling process is going to take you a second, y'all. I saw this style on TikTok and I figured why not try it because it looks so natural when she did it. So we're going to see, y'all. I hope it turns out good, but I think it will. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you So I'm pretty much just doing that same technique. I'm watering the hair, adding my leave-in cream, brushing it out to make sure that it's evenly distributed throughout the curls, and then I'm going to go in and finger coil. If you don't know how to finger coil, I'm going to show you guys over and over again for the next minute or so. You're basically just taking a strand of hair and you're twisting your finger around multiple times and then stretching the hair out. And it's going to give you something like this. And already I was amazed at how beautiful the curls were, and I just couldn't wait to see the results, y'all. Y'all are gonna see, like, it's so cute. So as I came to the top, I wanted to make sure that it was pretty flat, so I went in and I combed it before I went in and finger curled it. But I could already tell this was gonna be a hit. So this is one side of my head already done, and you can clearly see that difference, y'all. It looks so good already, and I'm just so excited to see how it's gonna turn out. Y'all, I was making a TikTok at the same time, so don't mind me. So we're just gonna go in and do that same technique on the other side, but y'all can see these curls are amazing. These curls are so natural looking, and I just really don't understand how these hair companies get this hair to look so natural, but that's just a mystery that isn't meant for me to figure out, I guess. I'm honestly so glad that I picked this hair because their hair is bomb. This is my first time buying from West Kiss, and I can honestly say I would give it a 10 out of 10. This is a 14-inch wig, and I did get it off of TikTok Shop, and it ended up being around $140 in total, which I think is a really, really good deal. This is pretty much the finished look. I am going to go in with an optional step and diffuse the hair. You are more than welcome to air dry it, but I did want to get the final look for you guys in this video and not have to wait forever, so I did go in and diffuse it for a few minutes. Always make sure that you are diffusing on cool air, y'all. Never diffuse on hot. Here I am showing you guys the dried curls, and they are so freaking cute, y'all. You can see more up close that brown color coming through, and I definitely think that that was a great choice because, y'all, dark hair does not look good on me. So now we're going to go into step 5, which is cutting the hair to frame my face. I've seen a lot of different videos on TikTok and on YouTube showing how to do this step. But y'all, honestly, I just kind of went in and cut at an angle to try and make sure that I was giving it a layered look. But it's honestly through trial and error, y'all. If you see some areas that are longer than others, just cut it. Y'all can see in the back, I'm kind of cutting towards a downward angle, and towards the top, I'm cutting towards an upward angle. And that's just kind of giving me the layered look that I want. And y'all, it's already coming together. It looks so cute. You can see some of the pieces are a little longer, so I'm just going in and trimming those out as well. But yeah, y'all, this hair, I definitely say is a 10 out of 10, y'all. It looks so cute. I'm just fluffing it out to give it the nice full look. If y'all are looking for a very natural curly wig, I definitely recommend West Kiss hair because this hair is amazing. This is about how much I ended up cutting off, and this is the finished look, y'all. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you're looking into getting a wig from Westkiss, I definitely 110% recommend. But make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and like this video if you guys like what you saw. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.